Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or Finder so you can recover Wi-Fi passwords and VPN profiles later. Once that's done, make sure you know your device passcode and Apple ID password because the reset requires authentication. Now open Settings, tap General, then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. You're beginning the process right away to access the reset options. This reduces surprises and preserves your account access when the device restarts. You'll select Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings to target only connectivity configurations. When prompted, enter your passcode. If Apple ID authentication appears, complete it to authorize the action. This step clears Wi-Fi networks, saved passwords, VPN and APN settings, and Bluetooth pairings. Once you confirm, the phone will restart to apply changes. Make sure to note any custom APN or VPN details beforehand, because you'll need to re-enter them after the restart. After the restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices. Then re-enter any VPN or APN settings you documented earlier so services work as before. If cellular signal is missing, try toggling airplane mode off and on, or power the phone down and reset the SIM card to reset network registration. If you still can't connect, make sure iOS is up to date, and once done, contact your carrier for provisioning checks. One key troubleshooting tip: test with another SIM to isolate carrier versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.